How to use background remover in Canva. This feature is available mainly for Canva Pro users, so keep that in mind as we go through the steps. Let's start with images. First, either upload your own image or pick one from Canva's extensive library and add it to your design. Once your image is on the canvas, click on it to activate the editing options. Next, head up to the top toolbar and click on Edit Image. On the left-hand side, you'll see an option labeled Background Remover. Go ahead and click on that. Canva will take a few seconds to process the image, and just like that, the background is gone. Now that the background is removed, you can get creative. Resize the image, reposition it, or add a new background to suit your design perfectly. Now let's talk about how to remove backgrounds from videos. Again, this feature is only available with Canva Pro. Start by uploading your video or selecting one from the Canva library and placing it into your design. Click on the video to bring up the editing options. Then, look at the toolbar below the editor and select Effects. From there, tap on Background Remover. Canva will take a few moments to process your video, and the background will be removed automatically. And that's it. With Canva's Background Remover tool, you can create clean, professional-looking visuals in just a few clicks, whether you're working with images or videos. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more Canva tips.